even if they're not on their period, because it gave their butt a little extra. First of all, here is the HighOh packaging. Once you get your starter kit in the mail, your period panties come in this waterproof sealable bag, and it's also odor proof. So that's good if you need to change out your period panties throughout the day and you're out and on the go. You got a little travel bag and you can just zip it up and not worry about any smell or any leakage. I think that's a good quality of the product. So they have sizes small, medium, large, and extra large. I got mine in a size medium. It comes with this little mesh material on the sides. Not the sexiest panties, but they're not giving adult diaper, because I have actually used the Always women's adult diapers before and I would just have like a diaper booty, literally. So the padding on these is all throughout, like the panty liner. Here's the inside. You can see all of this is like the pad, everything except the mesh. And I actually watched somebody review these period panties and they was like, they would wear these panties just day to day, even if they're not on their period, because it gave their butt a little extra juice. I really don't need that. I'm good in that department, so I don't really need the extra cushion. But I did feel like a size medium was the perfect size for me. It didn't dig into my skin and you could not notice the padding underneath clothes. So that is a good pro for the product. These period panties are supposed to hold up to 400 milliliters. Yeah, 400 milliliters of liquid. And to me, it just was good to wear on my lightest days, or if I would wear a tampon and was active that day, I would wear the panties as a backup just to prevent any leakage or anything like that. I think they're good for if you have incontinence, like if you laugh and pee on yourself, this would be a good little backup for that. And the longest I would wear these is for like 4 hours a day.